So, chicas, estamos aquí en Los Ángeles y estamos viendo que están los chicos de El Volo aquí adentro.
Ignazio!
Piero!
Piero!
Piero! Piero! I don't look back.
Oh my god!
How are you?
Oh my god. I do this for you guys.
What would you say to your fans, Gianluca?
Heather, can you take a picture? I want to give you this to you guys. I do this for you guys. Please show the rest.
Oh my god, I love you!
Piero, wait!
Oh my god, I love you!
Yeah, me too. Hey,
Oh my
I do
god,
this for you guys.
oh my god.
Take a picture with
Oh wow, I like
Take
it.
a picture with you.
Can I take a picture with you?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Well, you're
How are you?
Piero, can you say hi to one of your biggest fans, Karina?
Corina?
Yeah, tell her something really nice. She loves you.
It's recording?
Yeah,
What's the name? Corina?
Karina.
Hi Corina, I love you.
Yes, of course.